Hello, my name is Verizon, and today I'm showing you how to create ringtones for your phone and then send it to your phone. Okay, first what you do is you have to get a song from any place. What I do is I use LimeWire Pro. In another video I showed you how to hack it. So, here we go. How about this crazy train? Okay. Now what you do is you open up Audacity. Okay. Now you go to Project, Import Audio. Okay, we're going to stop the music. Play it. See. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I don't know, see what this is right here. I'm telling you right now, it has to be 20 seconds around there. 22 could be like the most, I think. Okay. Now what you do is to save file as WAV. Okay? You can't do MP3 right away, so for some reason it doesn't work. Just save it into a folder that you have. Save. Now you can just exit out that. You don't have to save it. Then you have to download a file called Switch Sound File Converter. Okay. Just no. Add a file. See, it's in here. Just go SetAsRingtone crazy train. Okay. And then convert. It's just convert really fast. Now what you do is you go to where it's saved. It's usually saved right here. It's one of these. SetAsRingtone crazy train. Okay, and then what you do is you have to go to rename, change the name file to .mp3, so the phone will remember it. Okay, so exit out now. Now we have to go to Phone Zoo. Okay, and you can also add me as a friend on Phone Zoo on as Keyman34. That's my thing. Okay, very simple. Okay, now when it comes up, go to Ringtones. Create from file. You have to browse. Okay. It's in my documents, my music. And it's crazytrain.mp3. Okay, right there. See? I got one crazytrain.mp3. Okay. Now you upload. This might take a while. I don't know. If it's really slow, I'll pause the video, but if it's going pretty fast, I'll... Oh, okay, just let me go back. Okay, when I get back to, like, my usual spot, I'll come back. Okay, now, sorry for the interruptions, but after you click upload, it should, like, do that. It should make just, like, a yellow bar and just upload. Okay. And now, you should get to this page. It's a perfect length video. What the heck? Okay. That's what it should sound like. Okay, I'm gonna turn up the volume. I'm gonna get fade out about that much. And this is what the ringtone should sound like. Okay. And now here's what you want to look like on your phone. What I want is Crazy Train. Artist Ozzy Osbourne. There's no description. And now you make it into ringtone sounds. It's a lot easier to do. Now you have to have at least one tag. What I'm going to do is just put Crazy Train and Ozzy. What you do is you saved my zoo first. Do not just save and send to phone. Verizon quit it for some fucking reason. I don't know why, but just saved my zoo. Now it should be creating it. This is usually go pretty far. I mean, not pretty far. It should go pretty fast. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, and after it says congratulations, the ringtone has been saved to your zoo. So then you have to send ringtone to your phone. And now at this point, I'm gonna change to my camera view. Okay? Okay, should say that. Okay, so now, after you did that, now you should get a message. Okay. Wait. I'll turn my camera volume so you can hear this. Okay, it's just somebody from support at phonezoo.com. Sorry, my camera's bad. But yeah. And here you go. Same exact thing as normal. And there you go. And that is how you get ringtones onto your phone. Fast and easy. Sorry for some errors and corruptions. I'm sorry, but now all I gotta say is I'll put everything in the description that you need, and I'll also provide you with some other neat stuff. Okay? Thank you for watching.